up? What's good? What's popping? It's your girl D Galore, and I'm back at it again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a hair review on Lemoda's Indian Water Wave bundles. Here goes the bundles right here. So the last hair review that I did was actually on this hair. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. But this hair right here that I have on my head was the first time that I got curly hair. So this time around, I wanted to do something curly, but I wanted something with like more elongated curls. So I got the Indian water wave hair. I always want to try water wave, but I was real scared because, like I said, I ain't never tried curly hair before. So I got Lemoda's hair, and I got it in a 20-inch closure. So let's look at the closure. Okay, so I got it in a 20-inch closure, free part. Oh, came with the baby hairs. Came with the baby hairs. But they too long, so we gonna cut them in when I get ready. But okay, it doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad at all. Of course, I have to bleach it and, you know, color it to my skin tone, because this is not gonna work. It ain't gonna work. But it's cute. We gonna make it work. So yeah, I got the closure in 20 inches, and then I got the bundles in 22, 24, 26. Hell, we only do long over here. Because this right here in my head is 24. Yeah, it's 24. So we only do long over here, honey. Okay, so I opened the 26 because I was gonna start making the wig for it. And then I was like, wait, I might as well just do a hair review, duh. I haven't done a hair review in so long. Well, initial hair review. So I was just like, let me just, you know, get the camera. Let's get going. So this is the 26 right here. So you see I can run my fingers through it and everything. Oh. And everything. It's real nice. The only thing I would say that is it does have a smell. Like a smell. It really does have a smell. But other than that, I feel like it's, you know, it's got that bounce. But, you know, this is the initial review. This is me unboxing it basically. So of course it's gonna have that natural bounce because, you know, it does have that chemical smell. So I'm gonna say that it has that natural bounce because of the chemicals that they put in it to, you know, maintain the curl and give it that bounce. So after I make the wig, which I definitely forgot that I did not have a wig cap, but after I make the wig, I'm gonna do a two week hair update because I will be wearing this wig basically every day for like 2-3 weeks before my school has Spring Fest, and then I gotta switch it up because, you know, people be getting used to my hairstyle, so I gotta switch it up on them. So yeah, this is my initial review. Pretty good type of hair. Just the only thing that it has a chemical smell, and I will say now that the ends are a little frayed and a little dry, so I'm gonna have to keep it moisturized. But other than that, I think that I'll be able to maintain it. But yeah, I'm just gonna make it into a wig, and then we're gonna do it, and then we're gonna do another review and then see how it looks in 2 weeks. But if you guys want me to do if you guys want me to do a wig tutorial, like how to make the wig and everything like that, then, you know, I'm fine with doing it. Got the head right here, so, you know, I have no problem with doing it. So just let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's it. Like I mean, that was real simple. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check back in 2 weeks for my little hair review on this hair and wig. And yeah, I'll catch you later. Peace.